सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 140, verse 22. असंसारस्य तु क्वापि न हर्षो न विषादता सशीतलमना नित्यम् विदेह इव राजते. Ashtavakra describing the nature of a jnani who is free from all pairs of opposites. Harsha, Vishada, Sukha, Dukkha, Jaya, Apajaya, failure and success, honor and dishonor, attachment and aversion. From all these pair of opposites, he is free, means he is not afflicted by them. Those pair of opposites bound to come for everyone. No one can avoid in one's life. Everyone has to undergo these pair of opposites. When our ahankara has got a self-doubt in the form of diffidence, looking oneself as limited all the time, that is called self-doubt. I have not spoken well, I have not done that job well, I have not satisfied other persons, I have not completed this work, I have not done that, this and like that. So much self-doubt. I would have done this way, better way, why I did like this. Like this, there is a lot of dichotomies going on and on in everyone. This is the problem of ahankara. All the time, however much you do perfectly, everyone is praising, you have done very well, very good, excellent job you have done. But you see, our ahankara, somewhere, I could have done that also, that point also, better way. We are not happy. Everyone praise Miss Universe, you are so beautiful, and they give Kireetam also. Miss Universe, so beautiful, and they are given all full marks. But you ask personally in her inner conscience, are you happy with your beauty? She is not happy. She is not at all happy. There is some limitation, the feeling is there. This is ahankara problem. Validity I want all the time from others. Everyone should validate me. That problem continues. Jnani is free from this problem, because you can never make ahankara completely free from this problem. You better detach with ahankara. Never become one with ahankara. We have to pay the price. It can never be fully happy with any, however much, whatever you give, it is not happy. If you have doubt, just looking at your back history, past history, your life history only. You ask your ahankara, when you are happy, tell me. You ask your own ahankara, interview yourself. Interview yourself when you are happy. Tell me 1 week continuously are you happy without any pain, without any dissatisfaction. Are you happy? And ahankara will hide. It will not answer. It will hide. Therefore, Jnani is one who understands Aham Brahma, Atma alone is real. This ahankara which is dancing and disturbing me all the time, mithya, it is false, really speaking. That is why Jnani, there is no second thing. There is no second real thing to disturb me. That is called conformity. Until I get that conformity, I am always chased by the ahankara. It keeps me all the time, one way or other, one point of time, it keeps me always dissatisfaction, atrupti. But jnani is truptaha. Truptaha in the sense all his desires are fulfilled. Is a Kotishwarana? Not because of that. He is truptaha. That means I, the Atma, am ever truptaha. I am not lacking anything. Whereas the ahankara, body, mind complex and connected to those body, mind complex relations, they are always having some dissatisfaction or other. I am ever free from atrupti. Ahankara is never free from atrupti. In the one point purinja over Vedanta. You cannot correct or make the ahankara totally satisfied. You, the consciousness, Brahman, original nature, need not be satisfied. It is ever truptaha. This is never truptaha. Yadikaha struggle idanna. In the Vishayam Priyatinala the struggle. Therefore, look into that 22. In the last class we were seeing, just I read the shloka, I have to give the meaning. Asamsarasya hi. Asamsarasya tu. Who is asamsari? Jnani. For a jnani who recognized that higher I and who has understood the lower I, ahankara, body, mind complex is not real. He is called asamsari. Body has got birth, death, old age, disease, but I am free from all those four. No birth, no death. I, the consciousness, am free from birth, death, old age, and what? Disease. Body, mind complex is not at all free from all these three. Whoever knows this is called asamsari. Asamsarasya tu kwapi na harshaha na vishadata. Where is the question of harsha vishada? Harsha vishada, harsha means joy, happiness. Vishada means sorrow. These two are not possible in the jnani's life. Further, after getting jnana, no place for them. Harsha nastaha vishadata api na bhavati. Na asti. Harsha vishadau nastaha. Both are not there. If you take both of them together, nastaha. If you take separately, harshaha nasti, vishadata nasti. Therefore what? Always neutral. Always neutral. Therefore, saha shitala manaha. That person is always, his manas is cool. Adedo cinema or actor says always cool. As madre. Cool. Sitala manaha, shanta manaha ityarthaha. Prashanta manaha. Like Manasa Sarovar. How Manas Sarovar is, Kalidasa says Manas Sarovar is like a Gnani is Manasanar. Manasa Sarovar, how it looks. It is so calm, it is so cool, like a Jnani's wise person's mind. Nityam, not one day or 2 days, not 1 week or 1 month. Nityam, always. Videhaha iva rajate. Even though while living itself, he shines like videhaha, as though he is not having body. Body illada madri behave pannuva. That is why in the previous sloka parnavat, light, his prarabdha moves. Just the prarabdha wind moves his life activity. So very, very, very videhaha means what? Body pain, mental pain are not there for him very predominantly. They will not occupy his mind. They will not occupy his mind all the time. Body oriented people all the time enna varumo enna vyadhi varumo enna bhayam, because of body orientation, body attachment. Similarly, emotional disturbance. This person looks at the mind and body as neighbors. As neighbors. Distance your body mind. How you distance? Intellectually. Intellectually distance. How you distance all what you are, phone you are using all the time. கழுத்தில் போட்டின்னு தொங்கின்னு இருக்க, அது ஒரு லாக்கெட்டு மாதிரி. Even though it is touching your heart, so close to your body, it is free. It is not you, it is different from you. அதுக்கு அதாவது சிப்பை அதெல்லாம் போடணும், அந்த சிப்பை என்ன அதெல்லாம் போடணும், அது சார்ஜ் பண்ணணும், இதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும். சிம் கார்டு, அப்பா இதெல்லாம் சிம்மு கார்டு, அதுக்கு சிம்மு கார்டு வேணுமென்னா போடணும், சார்ஜ் பண்ணணும்னா பண்ணணும், எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். அதே மாதிரி திஸ் பாடி ஆல்சோ லைக் தட். இதுக்கு ஒரு சிம்மு கார்டு போட்டு மாதிரி யூ ஹாவ் டு சார்ஜ் எவ்ரி டைம். யூ ஹாவ் டு சார்ஜ். பை வேதாந்தா classes I charge myself. For Atma, Ashtavakra Gita not necessary. For Atma, Ashtavakra Gita not necessary. For Ahankara only Ashtavakra Gita is required. Clear? So who is sitting, he listening and Ahankara. And the manas has to detach with the Ahankara. I am not this mind. Mano buddhi ahankara chittani na aham. To say that I have to come to Ashtavakra Gita class. To say that. To claim that. Okay. Nara. Iva videha iva rajate. Deham irukku. Ananu as though videha. Bodiless. He moves as though bodiless. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka 23. Kutrapi na jihasasti nasho vapi na kutrachit Atma ramasya dhirasya शीतलाच्छतरात्मनः. Further continues, there is nothing for him to drop, there is nothing to desire, there is nothing to drop or nothing to desire for him. He says kutrapi. Kutrapi means anywhere. Na jihasa asti. Anywhere means with regard to anything, at any time, at any place, with regard to anything. Kutrapi. Jihasa na asti. Jihasa means a desire to drop. Hatum ichha jihasa. Ohak tyagena. Dhatu is ha dhatu. Ohak tyage means to drop, to renounce, to give up. I want to give up this, I want to drop this, I want to renounce it. That type of anxiety is not there for him. It cannot disturb him really. Why we want to drop anything? Why we want to renounce? Because it gives it gives unhappiness to me. It is unpleasant for me, suppose. That's why I want to drop. For this Jnani, nothing can disturb, nothing can cause unhappiness. Therefore, there is no object for him or person for him or her to renounce. Jihasa, when there is dvesha, aversion only, you want to drop. When there is no second thing at all, to hate, where is the question of renouncing? Therefore, jihasa na asti. Oh no, jihasa is not there. Suppose he wants everything now. He is interested in everything. Na asha asti. There is no asha also, no desire also. Once we listen all these things, what is that life without asha, desire and all? Is such a life exist? Can a person live like that? We question like this. Shastra says such a person is only happiest person in the world. Asha na asti kutrachit. Asha means desire. Asha means desire. Asha na asti. Kutrachit. Anywhere. Upon anything. Kutrachit. Asha means love. Asha, no. Jihasana asti. Nasha. Sorry, na asha. Asha. Asha, na asha, I thought. Na, not nasha. Nashaha kvapi kutrachit. Nashaha means no loss. If I renounce this, I may get lost. I may get lost. That type of thought is not there for him. There is no loss at all. No more loss. Nashaha va na kutrachit. There is no jihasa asti, nasha va kutrachit asti. For whom na? For a person who is Atmaramasya Dhirasya. Atmaramasya. Atmarama means the one who revels in Atman. Atma means self. Rama means reveling. The one who revels in Atma all the time. Atmaramasya Dhirasya. Dhiraha means literal meaning is courageous person. From Vedanta standpoint, Dhiraha means wise person. Kaschid Dhiraha Pratyagatmana Maikshat Avritta Chakshur Amritatvam Icchan. So Dhiraha means wise person. Dhirasya. Not only that, Shitala Chataha Atmanaha. Shitala means cool, calm, relax. Who is calm, relaxed. Chataha means covered. Whose mind is covered by prashantata. Shitala means here prashantata, tranquility. என்ன நீ பாட்டி நீ கூலாக இருக்கேன்னு கேட்பான். ஏன்னா கூலான ஐஸ்கிரீம் மாதிரி இருக்கா? நீங்கள் மாட்டி நீங்கள் கூலாக இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம், சாந்தமாக இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம். பாருங்க எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் வேதாந்தம். ஸோ சாந்தமாக இருக்கேன்னு ஆங்ஸைட்டி இல்லாமலே உனக்கு படப்படப்பு வேண்டாமோ? You also must have tension. When I am tensed, you also must be tensed. So, Shitala. Shitalat Chataha. Chataha means covered. Chad dhatu. Chataha means the one who is covered, whose mind is as though covered with tranquility, prashantata. என்ன வேதாந்தா கிளாஸுக்கு வந்து கூல் ஆயிட்டணும். ஆல் ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ் இன் த ஹவுஸ் ஒரே டென்ஷடு. இந்த அம்மா மாத்திரம் நிம்மதியாக உட்கார்றான்னா கோபமாக இருக்கும். என்ன வேதாந்தம் கிளாஸ் வந்த உடனே ஒரே நிம்மதி. என்ன பண்ணுறது? ஸோ சீதலா சதஹா ஆத்மனஹா மீன்ஸ் டு சச் எ பர்சன் ஹூஸ் மைண்ட் இஸ் covered with that shanti, ananda, such a person, atma rama dhiraha tasya kutrapi jihasana asti, kutrapi nashaha asti. Upon anything, anywhere, at any time, with regard to anything, there is no loss, there is no gain. Next shloka 24. प्रकृत्या शून्यचित्तस्य कुर्वतोऽस्य यदृच्छया प्राकृतस्यैव धीरस्य न मानो नावमानता. Another problem of ahankara is honor and dishonor. When I went to their house, they respected me so much. They honored me so much. So ananda. They talk and they welcome me with a nice red carpet, suppose. And they offer something, gifts for me, everything. I am so happy. This is called honor. You go for 10 times, suppose. 10 times கூட வேண்டாம், 3 வாட்டி போனாலே போதும். நோ ரெட் கார்பெட், நோ கிஃப்ட்ஸ், நத்திங். எப்போ போகிறேன்னு கேட்பான். When are you going? When is your ticket? When you have booked your ticket? Like that they ask. Dishonor. They didn't look at me also, Swamini. Not looked at me. I am standing there only, in front of them. As though they have not seen, they went. Just like that they went. Dishonor. சிரிக்கணும் கூட சிரிக்கல என்ன பார்த்து என்ன ஏதோ கண்டிக்காமலே போயிட்டாரு. கண்டிக்காமலே போயிட்டான். தூங்கவே மாட்டான். No sleep, no food. It like a bug in the mind. சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி இல்லை. ஆனர் டிஸானர் நம்ம லைஃப்பில் we are struggling like anything. நான் சொன்ன பேச்சு கேட்கலையேன்னா they are disrespecting me. அது ஒரு ஃபீலிங் வரும். 2 வாட்டி சொன்னேன். 3வது வாட்டியோடு பண்ணுவானான்னு பார்த்தா பண்ணல. அப்போ டிஸானர். எவ்வளோ இன்சல்ட் பண்ணுற பாரு. என்னோட பேச்சு நீ ரொம்ப கேவலமாக they are taken dishonor. Like that we are struggling, struggling. They have to welcome us, they have to talk to us, they have to laugh at us, they have to smile at us, they have to share with us everything. If they are not sharing their problems, எல்லாம் மறைச்சு வச்சுக்கிறான். They are not sharing anything. See how many secrets they are all keeping. That means I am not a trustworthy person. That means they are dishonoring me. Like that. இது என்ன அகங்காரனுடைய ப்ராப்ளம். இந்த biography of ahankara. Every ahankara's biography is this, no exception. Okay, until you get aham brahmasmi gnana. Swamini, after getting aham brahmasmi gnana, இதெல்லாம் போயிடுமான்னு போகாது, இருக்கும். ஆனால் that will not disturb you. It will not cause sleepless nights. ஆமாம், அவ்வளோதான். அது இருக்கும். Very, very FIR, Swamiji language, FIR. The frequency will reduce. Previously, the dishonor pain is often comes. 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நடந்தது. உங்கள் அப்பா அப்படி சொன்னா. இப்போ அந்த frequency கம்மி, குறைஞ்சு வரும். Intensity also. That time so intense pain of dishonor. Now the intensity has come down. Previously used to remember long time, weeks, months. இப்போ வந்தால் கூட 1 hour இருக்கும், போயிடும். 2 hours maximum it will go away. So intensity also reduced and recovery period also reduced. Previously recovery period was 2 months. After coming to Vedanta, recovery period is only 1 week. If I am a senior student, recovery period is only 1 day. Within 1 day I recover. Previously 2 months, இப்போ 1 day. That means 1 month 29 days I have saved. 1 month, previously 2 months. For example, I am telling, okay, approximately. Like this, our life, struggling. How long we are born to struggle like this? Ashtavakra says, drop this struggle. Disown ahankara, own up aham. That's all. Because of this identity with ahankara is the cause. Therefore, now look into this sloka. Prakritya shunya chittasya. Prakritya, by nature, shunya chittaha, mindless. Parunga. Shunya chittasya, mindless anna artham. அவனுக்கு மைண்டே இல்லை. அப்படி சொல்லலாமன். மைண்ட்லெஸ் மீன்ஸ் த ஒன் ஹூ மேக் த மைண்ட் மித்யா. மைண்ட் இஸ் an instrument for him. He is not slave to his mind. He is the master of his mind. As he says or she says, mind listens. This is servant, good servant. Mind is the good servant of a jnani. Mind is a bad master of a jnani. Nanna irukku? Mind is a bad master for a ajnani, but mind is a good servant for a jnani. You want a good servant or not? Good servant irudha evalo nalladhu. Therefore, make your mind as your servant, not boss. Okay, convert your boss mind into servant mind. Boss are always taunting, பாஸ் என்ன ஆல்வேஸ் கமாண்டிங், பாஸ் என்ன ஆல்வேஸ் அங்கே பண்ணு இது பண்ணு அது பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லுவாள். சர்வெண்ட்னா நம்ம சொன்னது பண்ணணும். நவ் இட் இஸ் இன் யுவர் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். யூ வாண்ட் டு கன்வெர்ட் யுவர் மைண்ட் இன்டு எ பாஸ் ஆர் சர்வெண்ட். அஜ்ஞானிக்கு மைண்ட் இஸ் எ பாஸ். ஃபார் எ ஞானி மைண்ட் இஸ் எ servant, listens as he or she orders. शून्य चित्तस्य न adu artham. Okay, kurvatah asya yadrichhayan. Kurvatah, even though he is performing his actions, duties, kurvatah api. Kurvatah, the translation vacant mind. Vacant mind இருக்கவே இருக்காது. Understand, vacant house is possible. Vacant houses are available. Vacant mind won't be there. Vacant mind எப்போ தெரியுமா? After, when you go, then only vacant mind. So அப்போ கூட கிடையாது. Okay, vacant mind. Yadrichayam, by chance, what comes by itself, by chance. Kurvataha, by chance means the duty or action that comes for him or her in front at that time. Yadrichaya, without plan and artham. Yadrichaya means without any plan. Yadrichaya, what it comes. Kurvataha, kurvataha means while doing that action, whatever comes. Kurvataha asya, kurvataha asya प्रकृतस्यैव धीरस्य न मानः न avamanan. There is no honor or dishonor. When he is doing, some people may honor him, they may not honor when they are doing. Even Gnani performing time also. What is the proof? Krishna, Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, they could not satisfy all of them. Rama could not do that, even Krishna could not do. What about ordinary people? How can we get honor and all the time? So dishonor, manam anna honor, avamanam anna dishonor. Avamanam thangave mudila. The avamanam, dishonor. So people want to go away from that place and they stop talking with the people and they don't want to tell others also, because it is a black mark in their life. Like that they worry. In this divorce cases, daughter-in-law comes, only 40 days Swamini, 40 days only she stayed. No, how can I raise my head and tell others? How can I go to function? How can I go to here, there and all? It's a big insult, dishonor for them. Some marriages failure or some avamanam, sambandhis avamanam, brother-in-law's avamanam, neighbors avamanam. இதெல்லாம் லிஸ்ட் நான் சொல்ல வேண்டிய தேவையில்லை உங்களுக்கு. நான் எதுக்காக சொல்லணும்? Naturally whatever comes he naturally does. No mana, no avamana. These are all happening where? In body-mind complex. That is why for every jnani also there is a life, painful life will be there according to their prarabdha. Every saint has got a past, every sinner has got a future. Every sage, saint has got a past. They have their own past. Every sinner will have a future, better future. So, no mana, no avamana. They are only happening in the anatma, not to me. That is his mind is very, 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 very calm and quiet as his friendly mind, no? It is friendly mind, waiting. Ivar is Swami, Griha Swami, enna solla poraro, and waiting mind listens. Ashtavakra Gita class ponuma, vaango varayana. Mind vandu ukkarum class la. Listen to the class. Okay, listens. Don't go anywhere. Okay, he says. After going home also, remember same teaching. Okay. For everything okay, okay it says. Never say no. The Vedantic students with a greatness. Okay. So He says, not like other people. Next, second line, the meaning is, other people, what they do generally, prakritasya dhirasya na manaha na abamanaha. This person is not like ordinary people. Ordinary people, when they get honor and dishonor, immediately they show emotional impact will be there. For this person, that's not there. Naturally, his mind is under his control. They are naturally disturbed by natural Swamini. It is very natural. If anybody dishonor, how we feel? It is very natural. Power. We say natural. That is natural for them, but this is natural for a Jnani. Feeling that pain is natural for an Ajnani, not feeling, not having any disturbance is natural for a Jnani. That is called Prakriti, means here natural and artha. Next shloka 25. Kritam dehena karmedam न मया शुद्धरूपिणा इति चिन्तानुरोधीयः कुर्वन्नपि करोति न. कृतं देहेन idam karma, this action. Previous shloka, he did whatever yadrichaya, by chance it comes to him, he performs that action. Idam karma, after doing that action, what is his mental status? How he looks at that action? Idam karma kritam, done by whom? Dehena. This is done by the body, not by me. That kartrutva, that ahankara is not there. I am the doer, I am doing, it's not there. But what is his understanding? Dehena kritam, this is done by the body. Dehena kritam idam karma na maya shuddharupina, who am the pure consciousness principle, shuddharupina. Shuddha Rupamanna, pure consciousness. By the pure consciousness, the pure consciousness, this action is not done. By the body only it is done. Iti, thus, Chintanurodhi yaha, whoever think or thought, Chinta means thought, Chinta, Anurodhi, there is always in the mind, continuously. I am there, pure consciousness, I am actionless. Nishkriyaha, akriyaha, aham. Dehaha karoti. Body alone does the action. Activities are done by the body only. Even, you see here, children also perform many actions. They do lot of actions. Children, very, very young children also they do. Even they drop something and they break something also. Small kids, you don't shout at them. Small baby, just push the milk bottle. What do you say? You don't shout at that. And you just clean that place. But you don't tell anything to that baby. You don't shout at that baby. You are not angry with that baby. Why? Your milk bottle is broken already. Milk totally gone. But that loss is loss. Ade a person just throw the milk out of anger. Husband just throws, break the cup. What do you say? You stare at him. Action is same. But when the baby did, there is no intention of breaking. Whereas this person, buddhi purakam. So, We hate that wrong action which is done by the person intentionally. So therefore actions are all backed by the intellect. For children when they do, they spoil so many things without any intention. We never care for that. But a person intentionally spoil, intentionally damage, we shout at that person. What is the cause? Because your intention is the cause. Here, Jnani is one whose intention is always good when he is doing. There is no doership. I am doing. His intention, always with intention. I am the doer. I want to get name and fame. I want to get money. This type of intention is not there in Jnani's mind. Idam dehena kritam karma natu shuddha rupina maya. Therefore, there is no any doership. And the hankaram is not there. Iti chintanurodhi. In every action we have to do that way. Namak enna konjam bag lift panni konjam help pannale. I carried their bag. I helped them. 10 vaati solluvom. Not only telling, that person never say out, never have in thought also. I am the doer, that identity is not there. That is called anurodhi. That is called all the time manasla continuous irkum. Yaha kurvannapi na karoti. Even though he is performing, he is as good as not performed. In Bhagavad Gita, in 3rd chapter, Bhagavan says there, Tyaktva karmani phalam. Tyaktva karma phalam tyaktva. There is no desire at all and just does the action. Kurvannapi na lipyate yanar. Even if do that also, he will not be afflicted by that. Nirashihi. In the 28th sloka also, Bhagavad Gita. Karmanyabhi pravrittopi naiva karoti saha. Same words. Nirashihi. Shariram kevalam karma kurvannapi na lipyate. Like that in 5th chapter, 4th chapter, again and again Bhagavan tells, Yoga yukto vishuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyaha sarvabhutatma bhutatma kurvannapi na lipyate. That also, naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvavit pashyan srunvan sprashan jigran. So many slokas are there. All you can recollect if you remember. Okay. Iti chintanurodhi yaha kurvannapi na karoti. As good as not done. Not acts are not done because your intention is always pure intention. Because there is nothing to gain or loss. No agenda. No agenda. No motive. Motivated actions. Jnani's actions are not motivated actions. Not having any hidden agenda. That is called, all his or her actions are only for loka sangraha. Only for the welfare of all people, all the time. The Jnani's actions. Does actions, but never have the identity that I have done this. Within next moment he forgets. Next moment he forgets what I have done to others. Nana, pandradha. Natural, very natural. So that is called disidentifying with ahankara. Disidentification. Next shloka. Atadvadiva kurute na bhavedapi balishah जीवन मुक्त सुखी श्रीमान संसरन्नपि शोभते. Almost same ideas he conveys. Atatvadi, tadvadi, atadvadi. Tadvadi means some people, highly intelligent people, so-called intelligent, okay, worldly intelligence. Some people, they think, they plan first, pre-plan, year plan on year plan, and they put timetable and they write every minutes they write. So and so date, so and so thing they have to do. I want to achieve this. By that time, this is my target. I want to fulfill this. I want to get this result. Next, again, another plan, another result. Like this, go on and on and on they do. That person is called Tadvadi. Okay. That person is called Tadvadi. Tadvadi means, I do this, I do this, I will do this, I am going to get this benefit. Plan. Eppon. After 2 years he is going to start. Now itself plan. Children, which school they have to study? Kalyaname ahala. Which school they have to study? And what they have to study, which course they have to take, and where they have to work, job also. Everything. Mother and father, they plan so much. And they say Tadvad. They are called Tadvad. They are all, we say what? Rumba samat. ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட், எல்லாம் நல்லா பிளான் பண்ணி பண்ணுறான் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவான். சில பேர் இருக்கார் அச்சு பிச்சு மாதிரி அன்இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பீப்புள். தே நெவர் பிளான், ப்ராப்பர்லி பிளானே கிடையாது. வாட் யூ ஆர் டூயிங்கன்னா என்னமோ தெரியல ஏதோ பண்ணுறேன், லெட் தே டூ தட். தே நெவர் சே ஐ எம் டூயிங் திஸ் ஃபார் திஸ் பர்பஸ், ஐ ஹவ் பிளான் லைக் திஸ், நத்திங் இஸ் தேர். ஜஸ்ட் லைக் தட் தே டூ. அப்புறம் வாட் இஸ் த ரிசல்ட் கோயிங் டு கம்? I don't know. What do we say? Fool and சொல்லுவோம். This person is a foolish person, an unintelligent fellow, or intelligent, unintelligent. The Jnani, this person also never plan. This also never plan. No targets to get something. This I have to accomplish. This I have to get. This result I must get. Like that, planning and meeting and sitting and doing all this and that and all. Not there. Like if that person, unintelligent person. Appa you are good foolish show. Shastra says there is a difference between that foolish person and this Jnani. Both are atadvadi, na tadvadi. Tadvadi enna ipdi pandren, apdi pandren, adi varum, idu varum pesron tadvadi. Foolish person ema atadvadi. Jnani kuda atadvadi da. No plans and all. Therefore, can you say he is a balishaha, foolish person? Look into the shloka. Atadvadiva kurute. Performs actions like atadvadi iva. Atadvadi means that I am doing, this I am doing, that I am going to get. Not doing that. Natadvadi, atadvadi. Iva, like that, kurute. Kurute api, even though he is performing like that, api, balishaha na bhavet. He is not a foolish person. Never consider him as an intelligent person. நம்ம வீட்டில் எல்லோரும் சொல்லுவா, நீக்கு ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது, யூ ஆர் எ ஃபூல்னு சொல்லுவான். தே சே லைக் தட். அவங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? தே சே சுவாமினிக்கு என்ன தெரியும் ஒன்று பற்றி, எனக்கு தான் தெரியும்னு சொல்லுவா. அவங்க சும்மா ஜோக்காக சொல்கிறேன். தே திங்க் லைக் தட் ஆஸ் தோ தே ஆர் ஃபூலிஷ் பீப்புள். சஹா பாலிஷா ந பவேத். ஹி இஸ் நாட் எ ஃபூலிஷ் பர்சன். தென் வாட்? ஜீவன் முக்தா சுகி ஸ்ரீமான் samsarannapi shobhate. Samsarannapi. Even though he or she moves among the people, samsarannapi, moves among people doing actions, whatever comes in front of them, as it comes, they never choose, not having any choosy mind, not with likes and dislikes. When you know strong likes and dislikes, samsarannapi, even though they are moving among people and doing their work, shobhate, they shine, they flourish. Shobhate means they flourish. How? Shriman, like a great prosperous person they shine. Sukhi, they are happy. Sukhi is comfortable. They are so happy, they are so full and full ananda they live because Jivan Muktaha. They say person who is liberated while living. Liberated while living. Jivan Muktaha Saha. Jivan Muktaha Shobhate Samsarannapi. Next shloka. Shloka 27. Nana vichara sushrantah धीरो विश्रान्तिमागतः न कल्पते न जानाति न शृणोति न पश्यति. न कल्पते, no desires, no sankalpas, no plans. Na kalpate. Kalpana means thinking. Mind alone thinks. Na kalpate means no thinking and that. Because shunya manaha, no. That's why no thinking and not like that. Not shunya manaha. The mind is resting. It is taking rest. Jnani's mind is always a relaxed mind. Na kalpate. Na janati, knows nothing, thinks nothing. Na janati, na shrunoti, hears nothing, Appu deaf na. Knows nothing and out of order na. Appadi le. Na shrunoti, nothing hears nothing. Na pashyati, sees nothing. What? Nana vichara Sushrantaha. Nana vichara means arguments, tarka, lot of logic, reasoning. Naisha tarkena mati rapaneya. This Atma Jnanam, Brahma Jnanam cannot be accomplished or attained by just logic, reasoning, rational thinking. I am a very rational person. The people just they think they are also reasoning, rational and logic. They say nothing work. Okay. Nana vidha means so many ideas, so many thoughts, so many plans, so many concepts, so much of what you can call very, very, very sophisticated mind, sophisticated intellect. That's why some people say Vedanta illa romba kashtam swamini, I am very small ordinary person. I say we want ordinary person only, we don't want highly intelligent person. I am not intelligent person, but Vedanta works. Really speaking, intelligence is one type of obstacle. Highly intelligent, when class is going on, they never listen. Highly intelligent people, they never listen because highly intelligent, no. அதொரு ப்ராப்ளம் ஆகிடும், அப்டிக்கல். ஏன்னா இப்படி சொன்னால் அப்படி நினச்சிட்டே இருப்பான், இப்படி சொன்னால் இப்படி நினச்சிட்டே இருப்பான். தட்ஸ் வை ஸ்கிரிபிள்டு போர்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். A scribbled board person can never receive Shastra. That is why we think very, very scholarly, elated people I have seen, they miss the truth, the Tatparyam, because they never come down. They never come down. They never come down to that Guru's feet. Even they listen also, ears together, they listen in their own level, length, wavelength, they listen that way. Nana vidha, nana vichara, sushrantaha. Sushrantaha means he has withdrawn from this argument, that argument. People, discussion, debates are going on, no? I love debates. First stop debates. Shastra says no debate. Listen to your Guru, Shastra study. That's all. Why debate? What do you know to have debate? How many years you have studied Shastra from a competent teacher? Even after studying, you don't like to debate. First of all, first you understand Shastra, you never encourage any debate. Either you want to participate or they want to enter a debate discussion. I like to have a discussion and I don't want to do discussion. நீங்க ஏதாவது பேசுறதுன்னா பேசுங்க, நான் மாத்திரம் டிஸ்கஷனே பண்ண மாட்டேன். Only dialogue. Dialogue is different, discussions are different. So a mind which is having a discussion mind, debate mind, always wants to conquer the other person. That mind is not never ready to listen, to receive the teaching. They want to establish I am correct. Or they want to put in a different way, different type. ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணுவான். They never allow other person to talk. That is why this is class is not one-to-one dialogue, talking. New students, when they come sometimes, they raise hand and they ask questions. I say, please, after the class, I say. Once we allow that thinking to question, they never listen. That's why this is a class, I say. Listen. After listening, contemplate on that more and more. Then you can. That's what he says. Nana vichar sushrantaha dhiraha. Therefore, listen for length of time. Then only you can have a questions and doubts. That questions and doubts also, how to ask, and first we have to know. We don't know how to ask. That is very, very big obstacle. We never allow the teacher to talk because of நமக்கு ரொம்ப ப்ரெஷர் உள்ள ஏற்கனவே. இட் இஸ் லைக் ப்ரெஷர். வால்வ் ஓப்பன் பண்ண உடனே பேசினே இருப்போம், என்ன பேசுகிறோம்னு தெரியாது நமக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி வரக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா இந்த ஆர்குமெண்ட் பேஸ்டு பர்சன்ஸ் தான் தே டாக் லைக் தட். தட்ஸ் நாட் ஹெல்தி வே ஆஃப் டாக்கிங். It is an biggest obstacle for us to assimilate the facts. We miss the truth. Nana vichara sushrantaha dhiraha vishrantam agataha. He withdraws. Vishrantam agataha. He withdraws from all diverse different types of arguments, reasonings. He comes back, attain Vishranti. No more arguments, no more discussions, debates and all. I don't want. Atma is not that you can attain by discussions and arguments. It is only by consistent systematic study of Vedantic scriptures under a competent alive teacher for a length of time. Shraddha, bhakti. Not by argument. Scribbled board is unfit for writing. Clean board is fit for writing. Therefore, seriously, if you have any knowledge, anything, keep it aside. Give the benefit of doubt to the Guru. Let Guru talk, let you listen. Talk less, listen more. Talk less. Ask once in a while. Prepare a questionnaire. Just ask one question. This is my question, doubt. Please clarify. That's all, over your job. Then until the Guru clarifies it, you have to keep quiet. Next question. Ask. Give the time to the Guru, clarify. Don't interfere in the middle. Okay, Guru cannot say, shut up, listen to me. Guru cannot say. Yes, Guru cannot say. Rendu vaati paapar, moodu vaati paapar. Anu patient viduvar. Patient iru papa, patient anu solluva. Enna pandrathu? That is why getting Atma Jnanam is not so easy. We may become a scholarly person, but claiming Aham Brahmasmi, Guru grace is required. Shastra grace is required. The grace comes when I keep my ahankara aside. Totally. There is no doubt in that. But toughest task. That is the toughest task. Na kalpate dhiraha vishrantam agataha. He is free from all these arguments, discussions and debates and all. Vinayama, prepare the questionnaire. One question or two questions clear what you are asking. This is my doubt. Exactly, please clarify me. If not clarified that time, again you get doubt, again write a question, ask. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய இருக்குது. இட்ஸ் நாட் லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் டு பி கிளாரிஃபைடு. இட் டேக்ஸ் லாட் ஆஃப் டைம். தேர்ஃபோர் நெவர் ஹாவ் ஆர்குமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் டிஸ்கஷன்ஸ், டிபேட்ஸ் வித் எனி ஒன். No need to have a debates. Okay, never allow person to have a debates or discussions. You listen, study Shastra. I am not qualified to have debates and sollunga avladha. I am not a qualified person to do debates and all. I am chinna aalu nu sollanu. Not I am not a perumaal. Amma appadha solli you have to escape more in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ।